You are going to love the 2018 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.